Hello. Yes, it's a different day. This is just my outdoor indoor jacket, okay? Is honestly this jacket is probably gonna be in a lot of videos, a lot of thumbnails. I don't care. It's gonna be the same fucking thing. It doesn't matter. Anyway, we're gonna get into this back test. My name is Kadi. I trade supply and demand. Let's get into it. It's gonna be 5 setups. Last time I did it, shit was going crazy. This time, shit is still going crazy. Let me stop. Let me get started. Goodness. All right. I'm just gonna be on NAS. I'm gonna be on NAS. Gonna hit the random bar, and we're gonna get started. Let's go. Wasting no time. Wasting no time. All right. All right. Let's see. I see the setup right here. I see something right here, like this zone right here. I literally just stick to the 5-minute, and I kind of go with that. Like, I know it's better to look, and it's not like I don't. Sometimes I do check the 15 or I do check the hour, but I just mainly I like to trade on the 5-minute. I feel like market structure is market structure, but sometimes in the moment, like sometimes you need some other confluence to get you going. So I do that too. It's not just that, you know what I mean? But yeah, anyway, so I see price going bullish. Price right now is at a demand zone, high probability demand zone. I'm thinking buys, but it can prove me wrong. But let's see what's up. We see the EMA, see the 200s on the bottom. So if we get a break of the candle, I will be going in, win or lose. Okay, break of the candle, going in. Let's see. Oh shit. Nice. All right, moving on. Listen, we gonna make it quick. Listen, we already know breakage structure, major structure right here, broke that with that move right there. Came back down to a demand zone, no gap right there, and we hit it. Got the breakage structure, break of the candle. That's when we got in. TP 1-to-1, but I just kind of had it, whatever. I just know how it is, and then boom, took off. Look at that. All right, let's move on. Try to make this as quick as possible, you know. Just gonna be easy for me. 7 a.m. That's the time. I don't care if it's the summer, as long as it's the time that I would usually wake up to trade. That's when we're doing it. All right. Here we see price moving up, breaking up, moving up. There's a lot of like momentum here, but we'll see what happens when I would be awake. So price made that high. Now I don't see anything. Okay, so price broke past that structure. I mean, other than support and resistance, which is something that I don't really trade. I mainly do supply and demand, but you know, you got to be flexible with the market. So price kind of tapped into this, obviously, but it's low probability, so I'm not even looking at it. Depending on see what happens in the markets, that's what I'll look at. Okay, a part of me, this is just something new. Part of me does kind of want to go for this like support, and if I get a break in the candle, I'll go in for a sell. A part of me does. I might do it just for the video, if I get it. Okay, we didn't get it. Let's see if we... Okay. Let me see here. Price. I would like to see... Price is breaking up. Is making higher highs. I'm not really seeing anything that would interest me. Okay. So, yeah. I don't know if I was blind, but let's say we got in here. Because I was thinking sells, but I kind of did zone out. So let's see if we were like, oh yeah, okay. Ooh, oh my god. Oh shit, what the what was that? Yo, what happened?
When I did show up to school,
What?
I was a bit disruptive in class.
That's not... What? Okay, hold on, let me Hold on. Absolutely insane. I don't even know what just happened. I don't even know what. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna get back and then we're gonna get this. That was so random. Okay, I don't. Webcam. There we go. NAR. Okay, here we go. We're back. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we lost that trade. So we won the first one. We lost the second one. Okay, let's move on. Doing something that we don't even do. But we was doing it. Whatever. Doing too much. Gotta be disciplined. Gotta be disciplined. Gotta be on it. Sometimes you just want to test stuff. And that's exactly what this video is about. Anyway, we're on our third what? So why would you bring me back here? What? Okay. Alright. So we're on our third trade. Let me get this shit. Oh, what? I thought, okay. Well, I definitely didn't see what happened. What? What is going on? Okay. Okay. I don't understand. Random bar. Okay. Jeez. Okay. Okay. Trade number 3. So we're looking, we see price just made a double bottom, and so now it's breaking structure to the upside. Of course, we're not awake. So let's see. Right now, I would be looking for a price to give me, another high, so that I can potentially take something. Okay, price didn't give me a high, but they did create this demand zone. I am looking at the EMAs, and I do see prices kind of above it. So I'm hoping to see... Oh, okay. It's like I was hoping to see some kind of structure break over this. The price wanted to leave. Usually, honestly... Okay, price is going this way. It's away. Let's see. I'm just here with the momentum. I'm like, whatever price is doing, I'm just here. I'm following it. Whatever it seems like. Okay, so price just built structure. Price created this demand zone right here. Okay. What's happening? I have no idea. But let's just go for whatever we believe. We see the EMAs. Oh, the 200 is here, so we should be thinking like this. Yeah, so I'm going up for high. Okay. And this looks like a little support and resistance setup. I would go in for that. Because this support and resistance, I'll put it right underneath the zone. Let's see what happens. Okay, stops me out. And doesn't even go in that direction. Okay. Well, that sucks. I don't even trade support and resistance, but I mean, it was just such a trade to see. I mean, comes back into the zone, gives you a nice rejection, candle break. I think it's a good try. EMA is right there. Okay. Trade number 3 allows. Moving on. Trade number 4. I see price coming back down. So price has broken a lot of structure. Price is coming back down. Seems like it's trying to create liquidity. And as far as, price going higher, I would need to see price breaking, some structure to let me know that it does want to go higher. The 200 EMA is right there, so this is technically would be considered a counter trend. So if I was, following how people use the 200 EMA or what I've been taught, if I was thinking sells, it would be more realistic, more a higher probability of me winning. So that's just my idea. I'm gonna test it out right here on this trade and see like, if I just follow how the 200 EMA is and what they say and trading away from it, how would that look in my favor? Okay, so price just broke structure. It created a demand zone right here. It didn't tap into it yet, but it is here. Okay, so price created another demand zone. That's kind of tricky because it's like one candle, and I don't know if, okay, and here I would be in, because I was just like, it's kind of like, I don't really like the ones where it's like it's the same candle, it goes up and also taps back into the zone. I prefer it to kind of like all back in, because like, okay, and if it's, so the thing is, there's the gap right here, right? The gap, like price had the gap. Price on this candle filled in the gap with that. But I would still be in because the EMAs were there. I believe in this setup. I'm just gonna go. And I need to hold it to cover the losses from before. So I think I had 2 losses, right? So, and I mainly go for 1-to-1. So to cover the losses, I would have to do 1-to-2 and then a little bit of some. So I would definitely want to hold for these. And this one was a winner, so that's good. So that's the 4th trade. I want to see, because like this like area of liquidity right here. So maybe I would have held possibly like right here and see what happens. See, every time you make a target like this, price like to play in that area and then maybe stop you out and then eventually go there. So let's set that to break even. And what did I literally say? But I don't know if it comes back. But like literally, like let's say there, but I probably would have gotten out most likely because I'd be scared. But either way, I consider this a W. That's a 1-to-3. I would not go for anything more than a 1-to-3 for real. Like, I am a whole scalper, so I consider that a W. Oh, okay. So 5th trade. And I like, and the fact that we traded away from the 200 EMA had helped us in that favor. So the next trade, I think I'm gonna stick to that. I'm gonna, wherever the EMA is, I'm gonna trade away from it. So if it's above us like this, I'm gonna flip my chart so that I know for buys in this circumstance, right? Hold on. Okay, price just broke out of it. I don't know, now I don't know what to do. Okay, price is just spazzing out. Price has broken so much structure that's like, it's like trading away from it is considered this. But let's just see what price does. Price has gone back. I mean, low probability for me, so no trade there. Okay, wait, I do see something. Kinda do see something right here. Again, I don't like the fact that price like got into that zone. Ooh, wait, let me look into that. Let me look at that. So in real time, it would be like price created this demand zone. Facts. Price broke structure. Facts. So price broke structure here on with this move right here. When price went down, came back up, broke the structure point right here, made a new high, then came down and made a new high off of this move right here, creating a demand zone right there. And then now we see that price is coming back down into the zone, and then we would be looking for a candle break. But the thing is, I probably won't even be able to take this trade because of the timing it happens. So let's say if we take this. I personally don't like this because I do like when price goes further into the zone, but let's just see what happens. So yeah, that sucks. But at the same time, you know, it was a good trade. It was a good idea. We had the right idea, we had the right bias, and that's honestly all that matters. It's like, even if you lose, I would rather lose having the right bias than lose and then having the wrong bias, because that means I was wrong about the direction completely, and that shit is ass. All right, so that was 5 trades. It was what? It was like, I think I won twice and I lost 3 times, but I held the trade for the previous one, and it covered those 2 losses. But then I lost here, but it was a minimal, it was a very small stop loss. So I'm not entirely sure if that's a negative or break even or maybe end up being profitable time, let's say a week or so, whatever. But yeah, that was good. So that was like a quick little back test. I wanted to make this really quick and just to the point. And I think it went well. You know, I'm gonna work on the next video of this. I'm gonna literally just use the 200 EMA as my like bias in a way of like picking a direction, because for me a main issue I notice is that like I can see sells and I can see buys at the same time, and I never know really, in certain situations I never know which play makes the most sense, because in any type of situation you can have a buying opportunity in a selling market and vice versa, but in the current market conditions, what makes the most sense? And that's something that I definitely have trouble in. So next session, I'm going to be using the 200 EMA to determine the bias for me. I'm going to obviously look at the candles and see what they're doing and seeing where like price is breaking structure. But I'm going to majority of it, I'm going to use 200 as a bias to determine the trend. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned to the next video. Okay, bye.